Hi, in this video we're gonna learn text function. By this function we can convert a number to a text using a format we specify. Here we have the function formula text. Value is the number that we want to convert into a text, and format text is the format that we want to have it in the result. Here we have inputs, the numbers that we want to convert it into a text, and formula, the formula and the format we're going to use it in the input, and the result is outcome of the formula. Okay. First one is this number 001.3430. This number can be converted to a text using a format that we specify. Here we have K2. It is the address of the cell that consists of the number we want to convert it to text, and in quotation marks we have the format we want to have it in the result. Using zeros in the formula, in the format, we can specify how many decimal numbers we want to have, and also this format will remove extra zeros, actually invaluable zeros before the number, in the start of the number. You see here we have two zeros in a start, that these zeros are invaluable, so it will be removed in the result. And also we specified that we want three numbers for decimal numbers. We want three numbers after decimal point, and you see the result. It is three numbers after decimal point. Next one, there is the same number, but we want to also remove extra zeros, extra invaluable zeros after decimal numbers, and it's not important how many numbers we specify after the number. It only consider valuable numbers after decimal point. For this we use hash instead of zeros. So you see I entered three hashes after decimal point, but here we have only 2 points, two numbers, two decimal numbers after point, because zero after decimal points is invaluable. Next one, we want to convert date into a text. It is completely easy. We just enter the address or the number here. K4 is the address of this cell, and then we specify the format into the quotation marks. Just remember it, keep it in your mind that we need quotation marks before and after format to make it understandable for the formula. Double D means day number with two numbers. We have 08 here for days. Double M stands for months, and double Y stands for year. All of them we want to only two numbers for all of them, so we enter two of each letter. And it's also, its position is important because I want day numbers at the first, second month here, and last year here. But if you want to have only one number for each day and month, we need only enter one letter for each one. Here we see that there is only one number for a day and month. But keep it in your mind, if you enter only one Y for year, we still have at least two numbers for year, because it's important. Next one, we enter 4 Ys, so we have a whole year number 2019. It's completely easy. And DDMM, so we have two numbers for each day numbers and month numbers. Next one, if you want the word of the month, its name, not a number, we don't use a slash, we use a space instead of a slash, and we have to enter 3M at least to have the name of that month. If we enter 3M, we will have short name of the month in the result. For example, for January we have JAN, Jan only. But if we want the complete name of the month, the long name of the month, we have to enter 4 M's. So we have January here. As you see, we entered just a single Y here, but we have two numbers here for the year 19. Okay, it was dates, but what we can do for hours, for time, exactly same thing. Here we have HH stands for hour, MM stands for minute, and SS stands for second, and we entered colons between them as a separator because it's normal for hours, for time. And exactly as date, if we enter double H, we have two numbers for hours, double M, two numbers for minute, and double S, two numbers for second. And the format will be 24 hours format. And remember, if there is a date in the input, the formula will remove the date and only returns the time, because we don't have date format here, it's only time, so we will have only time in the result. Next one, we want to have 12 hours format for the time, so we enter AM/PM after the format into the quotation mark. And you see I entered here only a single H, M, and S for time, and as a result we have only single numbers for the time, except of 11 because it is two numbers. It will not omit it. And we have PM here because we want it as a 12 hours format. Just remember, you have to enter quotation marks for the format. If we omit quotation mark, we will have an error here. You see, we don't have quotation mark here for the format, so it returns name error.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diako Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website, diako.co.uk.